magnificent, they are amazing. Let's see how the interface actually looks like. Very pretty clean UI. There's no bloatware as well. The apps also look very clean, you know, in the way that they are brilliantly spaced, well spaced. And let's try and click a picture. So I've just clicked one picture and this is what it looks like. I clicked a picture of this adapter, this entire box, and you can see what the picture looks like. The brightness is amazing. In fact, the colors are well defined. The grays are also not getting marred by the white. So now let me go to the back.